Hi, I am Priyanka, and I have created a website called the Script Editor. It is basically created for making naive users understand what scripts are and how to manipulate different kinds of scripts without actually understanding the technicalities of or the back end working of how things work. I have tried to do a script editor for four kind of um, data types, that is state, arithmetic, string, and boolean. There are two types of users in my website. One is the admin who creates the script, and the other is any normal user who creates his profile on my website and can log in and make changes uh, in or add input into the scripts that are already generated and run the scripts to get the final data. So I would like to show you a little about my project. That is my login page. I am going to log in as the admin. So I'm going to just show you how I generate these scripts. So I go to create scripts. Let's do next one. Um, so these are the elements, basic elements of my script. So I can add a date, a text area, arithmetic, string, boolean onto my page, and make changes in it. I can rename the date field as date manipulate, and this is actually a drop down which has which either finds days before or days ago. In the same way I have for arithmetic, which is these are the basic operation which can be done, and for string these are the operations, and for boolean there's logical and, or, who's greater, if, else, and then. So once you publish the script, it comes into the list of generated scripts over here, and any user, a normal user, can log in and um, add data, whatever data that the script is supposed to do, and run the script to get the result. I will go to the normal user later on. I will show you a few scripts that I've generated. The first script is for if else. So if else is like a conditional format. So if uh, this is the first block, a greater than b, if this is true, then this is the data that is supposed to be displayed, else you do something else, that is a multiplied by b. So in the first condition, since this is greater than this, we are getting the answer as 101, which is the true condition. We can try doing something else, suppose a bigger number. For one moment. Yes, I think it should be fine. A bigger number, and you get the multiplication of these two numbers. So this is about if else. This has a small amount of arithmetic operation here as well. You can multiply, add, and you can add multiple of these fields, which I will show you in a small simple interest calculator that I have created. Small description about the string replace, that string manipulation. So this is a text area. So I'm using replace. So replace what? I'm trying to replace R by were, and I get the solution. So how were you doing? So you can change doing by whoing or something like that. And then, so how are you whoing? And that's how you manipulate strings. You can replace, search, join, and slice different operations of string manipulation. Similar way, scripts can be created. So, one more thing I would like to show you. Okay, so I would now like to log in as a normal user and show you how it works for a normal, how it looks for a normal user. The normal user cannot manipulate scripts, as in cannot make changes in the scripts. He will be not be able to see. As you see, for the admin, you can create scripts. For the normal user, a normal user cannot create script. He can only see the view the generated scripts. So these are the generated scripts. He can click on any one of them. Like suppose I want to see the simple interest calculator, and this is the simple interest calculator. I have populated the data beforehand. Uh, so all I'm doing is principal multiplied by number of years multiplied by rate. As you see, you cannot manipulate. All you have to do is add a value in these texts and you will get the result. So I can change this to probably 8 and answer changes accordingly. So apart from this, I this was the scope of my project. I have tried to make students or people who do not understand programming or scripts understand very small amount in my small way how scripts work and which way they can be manipulated. Uh, that's about it. Thank you for looking at my website. Please do go ahead and see the OpenShift version. It is a nice landing page. Uh, Thanks again.